Domestic violence is a significant problem in our community, throughout the state and throughout the country. We recognize that this is a crime that typically happens behind closed doors. Because of that, it oftentimes makes it very difficult to prosecute. At the same time, victims are obviously impacted by these acts of domestic violence, but family members, children particularly, are really affected and impacted by the commission of these crimes. Because we're dealing with a criminal act between two people who are in a relationship, who oftentimes are financially tied to one another, romantically tied to one another, are tied together by children, by other family, it makes it particularly difficult for some victims to feel comfortable reporting, feel comfortable coming forward, and really they grapple with the idea of making this a public spectacle. Historically, domestic violence was something that just happened inside the home, and it was supposed to remain inside the home. We know that's the inappropriate way to deal with domestic violence, and we take these cases in our office very, very seriously. It's difficult to prosecute a domestic violence case when you're calling upon children to testify against their father or their mother. We know that there are female offenders as well as there are male offenders. We know that many victims don't want to cooperate with law enforcement, and even when a report has been made and we are able to file charges against an offender in an appropriate case, so oftentimes it's difficult to get the victim to cooperate with us going forward. We have victims who recant what they have previously said to law enforcement, and that makes proving these to a jury beyond a reasonable doubt sometimes difficult. To the victims that have cases pending in our office right now, please understand that we take your case very seriously. We are working on those very diligently and trying to achieve the best result we possibly can, first and foremost for your safety and the safety of those who may be in your home. We are trying to resolve these cases to make sure accountability is had, even under these trying times of pandemic and societal issues going on. So please recognize that we do take your cases very, very seriously.